Hey, what's up, guys? So now I want to talk to you guys about a topic of exploring space and the universe. So you know how now with the advancements in rocket science and astronomy with the Hubble Space Telescope, now we live in an era where now we're developing technology at a very fast pace. And with the advancements in technology, now we have the opportunity to go to planets such as Mars and explore the universe and see how it is. I'm all for that, because the more we explore, the more we discover new things. I love what the Hubble Space Telescope has been doing for the last years. The last few years of taking snapshots and images of what the universe, the outer rims of the galaxy, what the universe looks like. Um, you know, I'm all for that. I'm all for going to Mars. Now, I don't know about living there in the sense that establishing a civilization, which there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, you could. I mean, that could be done with what what Elon Musk is doing, and uh, like companies like SpaceX. Um, they're trying to put people on Mars, and you actually have people signing up for it already, like Richard Branson and other billionaires. That's that's a very that's a very good idea to go to Mars and explore explore Mars and and explore other planets and see what the universe looks like. There's nothing wrong with that. It's pretty good endeavor because we used to have people. We finally put a man on the moon, so why not now take it a step further and explore the universe. You know what I mean? Um, and see you know what's out there, and like in the X Files movie, whether are we are we all alone or not? Like as Mulder and Scully, like they said, you're not alone. The truth is out there. So yeah, I mean, I'm all for that, and I think it's a really good thing they're doing. I really hope they advance it more. But I would like to add something though. Before we go to Mars or any other planet, we have to make sure we are taking care of this planet first, the Earth. Because if we can't get along here, trust me, we won't get along in Mars either. You know what I mean? If there's gonna be, because that same thing is gonna we're gonna take that over there as well. So if humanity is to get along, it's to get along here first, and then there's peace, once there's world peace, once we establish peace, then the advancements will be made, and we'll have civilizations on other planets and explore the universe. You know what I mean? Godspeed, Godspeed, good speed, Godspell.